Start by setting the brake to keep the stroller steady. Then remove the seat. Pull up on the levers on both sides of the stroller and lift the seat straight out. Lower the assembled bassinet into the stroller base until you hear a click. Pull up on the bassinet handle to confirm it is locked in before use. To remove the bassinet, pull up on the latch at the foot end of the bassinet and gently pull it out. To attach a car seat, you will need the car seat adapters. Look for the L and R markings to identify left and right. Press down until you hear a click on each side. Place the car seat into the adapters and press down firmly until you hear it click into place. Pull up on the car seat to make sure it is safely locked in before heading out. To remove the car seat, press the release button on your car seat and lift it straight out. To remove the adapters, press both red tabs and lift the adapters off the connectors. To get back to stroller mode, lower the seat until you hear a click and you're ready to stroll.